Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
This next lesson, as you can see, lesson 2 is on creating form letters. This is something that is very easy to do, and once you've created one, you'll see how easy it is to create more. Now, we have directions written for us here that will enable you to do it, but we also, as you can see, have a video. Now, I've supplied you with everything you need to know, and at the bottom, I provide you an example of what the beginning of your form letter should look like. Let's go to the website and see where this is located. Now, if you're on this website, please just look over here and click on Computer Lessons. When you do that, you'll notice we provided for you the form letter and the data. Now, the data for the form letter is exactly the same data you used for your mailing labels located up above. So those are all done for you, and that will help you out. Let's look at another link to another website if you're using that one. If you're on this website, you probably scrolled down to where it said worksheets and more. Then link for lessons for grades 1 through 8. Drop down and you can see here's the same information we've provided for you up above. Okay, let's go on and see how we can create this form letter. Very easily done. We're going to show you two methods in obtaining the information for your form letter. Method number 1. If you're in the school, you have 9 Huffman, click on the yellow folder. Then go up to Lessons and Examples. Click on the yellow folder. You'll notice it says Form Letter. Click on the yellow folder. And you notice we have the directions and we have the Excel spreadsheet that we used before, and we have the form letter. I'm going to click on both. And I'm going to right click and hit copy. Then what we want to do is place it in our folder. To do that, I'm going to simply go back and scroll down to my grade and find my name, Giuliano Bill, and under Microsoft Word, since it's a form letter, I'm going to right click and hit paste. And that means any changes I make will be here. Now, in my Excel, I'm going to open it up one more time and make sure that I have the information. Oh, I got to update this. Okay, I've already done this before, so if you use the same spreadsheet, you should be fine. But this one I updated. I typed in my name and address, and then I'm going to hit save, and I can use this in my form letter. If you're doing this at home or some other place, you can simply click on Form Letter and save it onto your computer. And here's the data spreadsheet again, the one I just showed you. Now remember, it's the same one as you have up here. So if you've already done labels, you can use the exact same one. So those are the two ways that you can obtain the information for this lesson. I just opened up the form letter for this lesson. I'm going to click up here at the top in Mailings, Start Mail Merge, click on the down arrow, step by step, and you notice it says Letters. At the bottom it says Starting Document, and use the current document. So I'm simply going to select my recipients, or the people that I'm going to send this letter to, which the first one obviously is myself. I'm going to click on Browse, and then go to the spreadsheet, which is this one. I'm going to open it up and click on OK. And you'll notice the first one has my name in it, and we have everybody else as before. Now I'm going to click on OK, since we know what's happening. Now the cursor is listed at the top, and what I'm going to do is it says write your letter at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to click on that, and it's going to provide for me different things to do. But what I'm going to show you is more items. I think that would be beneficial for you and easier for you to work with. Okay, my cursor is at the top. I'm going to click on more items, and you notice it says first name. I'm going to click on Insert and Close. Then make sure you hit your space bar one time. Click on More Items again. Last name, Insert, and Close. And then simply hit your Enter key. Now you're going to do this again. More Items, Address, insert and close, and hit your enter key one more time. Then more items, city, state, zip, insert and close, and hit your enter key twice. Now I'm going to click on insert, and what you want to do is enter in date and time. Upon doing so, you want to enter the second one down. It says the day of the week, and click on OK. Upon doing so, you now are down here, and under space, dear, you want to hit, now this is going to vary depending upon what your lessons are, but this one I'm going to hit more items and first name and hit close. Okay, now let's say we're all done. Obviously we could do more if we had an opportunity, but once you've done this, you'll see exactly how this whole thing works, because it is really quite simple once you've done one. Now that I'm all finished with this, I'm going to click on at the very bottom here, preview your letters. And when I do that, you'll notice that it takes the first person, remember that it will be you, your name, and it puts it all in order. And if I want to, up at the top, I can click the arrow that says recipient 1, click the arrow, here's recipient 2, 3, 4, and it goes all the way through. I'm going to print back, I'm going to go back to the first one, and I'm going to say complete the merge, and I'm going to click on print. However, I only want to print out the first two people. So I'm going to click over here from, and I'm going to say 1 to 2, and hit OK, and it will print only those first two people. Obviously, you don't want to print everybody out. If you can do 2, you can do 202. Simply click on OK, and click on OK again. And that should do it. Now when you're all done, you should print out 2 pages, and obviously your name should be on the first one. Just simply staple this and place it in the folder for your grade, and you're done. Hopefully everything here made sense, and thank you for watching.